Namaste. Welcome to this simple seated yoga flow. Come to a comfortable seated position. You're welcome to sit on blocks or a pillow, or perhaps you're sitting in a chair. Just take some deep breaths, hands in Anjali Mudra in front of the heart. And as you're ready, we exhale, release the arms. Inhale, they open, palms touch, looking up, reach for the sky. Exhale, hands come down the center line. Inhaling. Arms rise, palms touch, looking up, spine is long. Exhale, hands to the heart. Last time, inhaling, arms rise, palms touch, looking up, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, hands come down to the heart. Inhale, arms rise, palms touch, looking up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Interlock the fingers, turn the hands away from you. Inhale, raise the arms, looking up. Shoulder blades melting down the back, spine is long. Deep breaths here. As you exhale, release the arms. Inhale, they rise, palms touch, looking up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Interlock the fingers, extend the arms away from you. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, over to the right side, looking at the left, opening up the left side waist. Inhale through center, exhaling over to the left now, looking to the right, opening the right side waist. Inhale, center, exhale, release the arms. Inhale, they rise, palms touch, looking up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Interlock the fingers, extend the arms away from you. Inhale, they rise, looking up. This time bend the elbows and begin to circle and spiral the arms around as if you're tracing a circle on the sky. Feeling the opening of the upper back, releasing tension from the shoulder blades. Soften the jaw and the face, and as you're ready, change direction. Inhale, arms rise, looking up. Exhaling, release the arms. Inhale, arms rise, palms touch, looking up. Interlock the fingers, hands to the back of the head, chin to chest, elbows come together. Inhale, looking up, elbows open. Exhaling, chin to chest, just allowing gravity to take your head forward. Inhaling, rising, elbows open, looking up. Exhaling, chin to chest and release. Just letting the head hang here. Feeling heavy. Hands come to the thighs. As you're ready, inhale, right ear, right shoulder. Exhale, chin to chest, left ear, left shoulder. Exhale, chin to chest, right ear, right shoulder. Exhale, chin to chest. Left ear, left shoulder. Last time here, just releasing tension from the neck, soft jaw, feel the tongue in the mouth. Right ear, right shoulder. The right hand holds the left ear, left palm presses into the thigh, and we draw that right elbow towards the left thigh. Inhaling, lifting. Exhale, right elbow, left thigh. Feeling the cross-lateral stretch along the spine. Last time, inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, lifting. Right hand comes down, chin to chest. Left ear, left shoulder. Left hand holds the right ear. Press the right hand into the thigh. We exhale, left elbow, right thigh. Inhale, center. Exhale, left elbow, right thigh. Last time, inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, center. Exhale, left palm, left thigh, chin to chest. Inhale, lift the head, begin to rotate the shoulders up, back and down. 3 rotations. Hands to the shoulders, circle the elbows now, 3 rotations. And then we release the arms, extend them forward and up, turn the hands away from each other as they come back and down. Inhale, raising up, exhaling. Inhale, lifting, exhale. Inhale, raising the arms. We exhale, change direction. They come down, they come forward, down, back, and up and around. 3 rotations here. Inhaling up, exhaling forward and down. Hands on the shoulders now, rotate and spiral the elbows. Release the hands on the thighs and rotating the shoulders forward, up, down and back. Raise the left arm now, right hand next to you. Gentle sideways opening here. Changing sides, left hand down, right arm over. Right hand down, left arm over. Here we turn the chest towards the mat. Inhale, open. Exhale, heart towards the mat. Inhale and open. Last time. Exhaling. Inhale, lifting. Changing sides. Left hand down, right arm over. Leaning to the left. Drawing the heart to the mat. Inhale, open. Gentle twist here. Exhaling. Inhale, open. Exhaling. That's it. Inhale, raising up. Right hand down. Left elbow comes to the right thigh. Make a fist with the bottom hand. Hug the fist with the top hand and look over the right shoulder. Inhale, releasing the arms spiral round. Right elbow, left thigh. Create a fist with the top hand. Hug the fist. Look over that left shoulder. Inhaling, spiral the arms up and around. Inhaling, arms extend in front of you. Left arm under, right arm on top. Bend the elbows, come into eagle arms. We inhale, lift the arms. Exhaling, elbows come in, chin to chest. So really feel the shoulder blades separating here. We exhale, release the arms, changing sides now. Right arm under, left arm on top. Cross the elbows, cross the arms, palms touch if you can. Inhaling, raise the arms. Exhale, elbows draw in, chin to chest. Inhaling, lifting, release the arms. Hands